produces screws and bolts, which are types of fasteners characterized by a helical ridge, called an external thread or just thread, and wrapped around a cylinder or a cone. Dura produces some screw threads that are designed to fit into a complementary thread known as an internal thread, often in the form of a nut or an object that has the internal thread cut into it. Other screw threads are designed to cut a helical groove in softer material as the screw is inserted. The most common uses of screws are for positioning objects and for holding objects together. Fasteners hold the world together. Dura fasteners.